Are you struggling to keep your user engaged and coming back to your app or platform? In today's competitive digital landscape, understanding user behavior and delivering personalized experience is key to driving retention. That's where CleverTaps comes in, a powerful customer engagement and retention platform designed to help businesses understand the user, send targeted campaigns, and boost lifetime value. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use CleverTap to supercharge your engagement and retention strategy. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up CleverTap, analyze user behavior, create personalized campaign, and measure success. Before we get started, let's break down what's make CleverTap stand out. According to the website, CleverTap is an all-in-one customer engagement and retention platform. Track how users interact with your app or website, including clicks, sessions, and drop-off points. And there's a segment audience, engage user, measure results, and some of the things which I really like, which is AI-powered insights to predict user action and recommend next step. There's a real-time analytics for actionable decision. And the third one is that it integrates seamlessly with the tools like Google Analytics, Zendesk, and Salesforce. Now to get started with the Clever Tabs, here you have to come up this official website and just go and click on the Talk to Us, which is on the top right side corner. Now, before going to talk to us, there's a important tab which I'd like to introduce you guys. That is a pricing. So here you can see this is a essential pricing, this is an advanced, and this is a cutting edge. So they have three plans. Now the first plan is you can use 6,000 per month, and the pricing could be varied depending upon from you from the user is from which country. So up to 5,000 MAU, you can choose up to, let's say, 60,000. So as you can see here, it goes up to 60,000 per month, right? Now you can start free trial. For the advanced one, you can just go and click on Let's Talk. So I will use the essential one just to show you guys. I will go and click on Start Free Trial here. Now to start free trial here, I will just go and continue with my Google account so that I can seamlessly create my account. Here you can just go and use and fill up all these details, right? Which is really easy thing to do. Now here, make sure that you enter all the details regarding payment and click on continue to payment. Now once you pay, automatically you will able to get access to CleverTap's dashboard. So as you can see, they offer free trial, so you can test the platform before committing. Now first of all, you have to install the SDK. Now if you don't know what it is, so copy the SDK code provided by CleverTap and integrate in your app and website. If you're using a platforms like Android, iOS, or React Native, follow the specific instruction which is given by them. So you have to contact the support team and they will help you with it. Now use CleverTap verification tool to ensure that SDK is working correctly. You should start seeing user data within minutes. If you're not, then please you just need to talk to them to the support system. Now define which event and user properties you want to track, such as app open, button click, or purchase. Now this setup process is very straightforward even for beginners. So you have to ensure that you're ready to collect valuable user data. Now one of CleverTap's standout feature is the ability to provide deep insight into user behavior. Now here's how you can use it. So navigate to the event section to see a list of tracks, user actions such as app open, signups, or purchase. You need to analyze event trends over time to identify patterns. You need to create funnels to track how users move through key steps in your app, such as signing up, adding items, a cart, and completing a purchase. Right now, here, if you just go to the solutions tab, here you will find solution tab for the three, for example, e-commerce, subscription, financial, and giving. Now, as you can see here, this is for the e-commerce. Now, 200 brand trust clever traps. Now, this is just because they provide a really good feature. For example, as I told you, there's a track event, build funnels, analyze cohorts, writes analysis to group user who shares similar behaviors, such as user who made a purchase within the last 30 days. These tools help you understand what drives user engagement and where improvements are needed. To deliver a personalized experience, you need to segment your audience very efficiently. Now, to create a segment, you have to navigate to the segment section and click new segment. Use filter to group user based on criteria like behavior, for example, user who abandoned cards, a location, user who prefer discounts. Then you have to save this segments user use segments for early access in future campaigns. Use CleverTap AI power predictive model to identify user likely to churn or make a purchase. Now, segmentation ensures that messages resonate with the right audience at the right time. Now that you have segmented your audience, let's create personalized campaign. So you have to choose a channel, design your message, set trigger, run A/B test, and this is how you can personalize campaign, not only boost engagement but also drive higher conversion rates. Finally, CleverTaps provide robust analytics tool that help you to measure success of your campaign and optimize your strategies. Open rate and CTR for message, conversion rate for specific goals such as purchase or sign up, retention rate for different user segment. Use this insight to identify what's working, refine your approach, and continuously improve your engagement and retention very efficiently. And that's you have it, a complete guide to use CleverTap for engagement and retention. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.